This is why the poor stay poor. Clumsy hands and no shame.
On your knees. That is exactly where people like you belong. I am sorry, madam. It will not happen again.
Get away from him! Go on,
Smile
get
all
out of
you
here!
like tonight. None of you know
Get
whose
away!
house you are truly standing in.